Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Aurien Remineralizing Gum. So as you can see, we have it here on their website, and right off the bat, we can very clearly see that these two images right here are AI generated. So as you can see from this picture and this picture, they don't look quite right. They're very high quality and very perfect looking. And as you can see, this is the only legit picture I think they have, and they even use the same picture right here again. So as you can see, can't go a day without it, and blah blah blah, and a lot more. So as you can see, if we scroll down here, they have nano, hydro, something something. I don't know how to pronounce that, and organic xylitol, and I don't know how to pronounce this as well. So as you can see, more than just a gum, a small strengthened ritual, blah blah blah. And I've searched a lot about this on the internet, and I can't seem to find any information about it. And there aren't many people who have reviewed this, so please stay away from this product. I advise not buying it yet, since there are not a lot of reviews yet. Since if it really works, why isn't it more famous, or why isn't it on the news or something? Why isn't it trending? So yeah, just a heads up for this product. If you're planning on buying it, I advise you to do some research before actually buying it. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.